Taking care of our bodies and our minds is very important. And so in this session, we're going to enjoy a healthy snack together in a way that is nourishing for both our body and our mind, and helps us to stay connected to others. Now, I know that you might sometimes enjoy a snack that's not so nourishing and healthy. Gummy bears. This kind of snack might feel and taste good in the moment, but afterwards, well, tummy ache. We might not feel so good. So for this mindful snack, I'd like you to choose something natural to enjoy. A fresh piece of fruit or a fresh vegetable like a carrot or a pepper, or maybe a small bowl of nuts and dried fruit. I'm going to enjoy this clementine here. So go ahead, pause the video, get your snack, and come right back. But don't start eating yet. Eating this healthy snack is nourishing for our bodies. It provides us with vitamins and nutrients that keep us healthy. But we're going to enjoy this snack in a way that is nourishing for our minds as well. And we can do that simply by slowing down and really appreciating this food that we have. When we're feeling worried or overwhelmed by the big things in life, sometimes the best thing we can do is just to stop and appreciate the small things, like this simple snack. So place your snack in front of you, and let's just begin with one deep, mindful breath. So feeling our feet on the floor, feeling our seat on the chair beneath us, and then tuning into our breath. On the next in-breath, feeling the air as it comes in through the nose. Feeling it expand like a balloon in the belly. Holding it there for just a moment. And then slowly, slowly releasing all of the air. Right down to the very last drop. Now, let's pick up our snack and observe it with the senses. Notice the texture. How does it feel in your hands? Notice its visual appearance. What kind of color or patterns do you see? You might even like to hold it up to your nose and just notice what kind of fragrance does it have. Isn't it amazing that something in nature like this clementine has such rich, vibrant color? How does that happen? What about your snack? What kind of special qualities does it have? Let's take a moment to appreciate the natural elements that make this possible. When I look at the navel of this clementine, I can imagine that it was still attached to its tree as little as 3 or 4 days ago, perhaps in a citrus grove in Spain. I can imagine the sun brushing its side, the rain, the water, the soil, the warm temperatures that made it possible to grow so orange and so sweet. I can appreciate the workers who picked this fruit by hand, who packed it into crates, the truck driver who drove all day or all night transporting it to the supermarket, the workers who stocked the shelves, and don't forget your parents or those who care for you, who picked the best ones off the shelves and carried them home so that you could enjoy this snack now. If your snack requires peeling like mine, go ahead and peel it, cut it, prepare it in whatever way it needs. Keeping our attention on the senses, noticing texture, color, pattern, or fragrance. How is it different on the inside? And when you're ready, slowly beginning to enjoy your snack. As we savor the texture and flavor of this snack, we can appreciate it not just for the physical nourishment it provides our body, but we can also appreciate the hard work and care that's gone into bringing it to us by all of those people along the way. I hope you enjoyed our snack together. Have a great day and take care of yourself.